Welcome back to the Weather Centre, everyone, for an update of your all-important Thursday evening's weather conditions, and in particular for those of you that will be travelling early to your holiday destinations. Now, taking a look at the satellite loop, we see that most of the action continues over western South Africa. Showers and thunder showers continue across much of the region under thick cloud cover, and the most active area for the meantime is just to the north of our borders. There's this thickening of cloud across this area over the southern parts of Botswana. That cloud cover is going to spread down into the Northern Cape, where we are going to see quite a bit of showery activity taking place overnight. Now, the futurecast indicates wet weather over western South Africa for the rest of your Thursday evening. Otherwise, mainly cloudy along the southern coastline. There could be a few drops of rain along the Garden Route coast. No rain, with partly cloudy weather on the other hand in the extreme east of the country, as well as over the Lowveld. Windy weather settles into the western coastline overnight as well, including around the peninsula. Now, Friday will bring further mainly cloudy skies to western South Africa. Showers and thunder showers expected once again, isolated for most areas, but as we head further southwards, this is the area that's going to be quite active tomorrow, particularly over the Karoo, heading into the Eastern Cape interior as well. We could see some significant rainfall for some areas. Partly cloudy once again for the Lowveld. No rain expected for most of Limpopo and Mpumalanga and Gauteng. Tonight will bring scattered showers into the Northern Cape, perhaps even some parts of the northwest, while thunderstorms are still expected across many areas of the Eastern Cape, scattered to isolated in some areas. A few thunder showers still possible around Lesotho as well as extreme western South Africa, and as we've already seen, a little bit of drizzle possible for the south coast overnight. Durban, on the other hand, will also be dry, partly cloudy conditions, quite humid with a minimum temperature of 21. And tomorrow will be warm at 27 degrees, light southeasterly winds, and there is a possibility for a few showers, perhaps even some thunder in the afternoon and evening. Now, the wind stream animation indicates those strong wind conditions that are expected overnight along the west coast of the country. But as we head into tomorrow, much of the region will see the winds lightening, particularly further northwards along the coastline. We were still expecting a southerly to southeaster, but those winds will drop off to about 20 kilometers per hour. Moving ahead to the minimum temperatures now, and it's going to be a cool evening over the high-lying areas of South Africa, as well as over most of the Western Cape. Still quite warm for Mbombela, Pretoria, as well as into Mahikeng, all dropping down to 16. And tomorrow afternoon will be warm to hot over the northern parts of the country, somewhat cooler in the south, where many areas will remain in the lower 20s. 22 is a high in Port Elizabeth. A look ahead now to Saturday, and we're expecting it to be a wet day over the Eastern Cape once again, as well as along the south coast. George reaches a high of only 20. And on Sunday, a few thunder showers will return to Gauteng, when Johannesburg remains mild at 24.